Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Crmgrow smart codes in Craigslist to get leads. We know that they don't allow you to put clickable links, URLs in there. So one way around getting leads off of Craigslist is to be able to put text smart codes in there. And a really cool feature of Crmgrow is that they have their smart codes, which you can create these text to code type of things using their numbers. You can get your free account with the link in the description below. You can try it out for 14 days. Try this tactic on Craigslist and you will get a ton of leads. What's cool is that the leads will come in, it'll go into your Crmgrow and you can put them on an automation, or when they look at stuff. If you don't know what Crmgrow is, I will put a link in the description to my reviews of it and how to use it and some other videos that I have out there to use it. It's one of my favorite CRMs because of its ability to track the clicks, track people watching videos that you send them. It has video messaging, it has landing pages, it has a ton of stuff, and it's priced super cheap for all the value you get out of it, all the things that are in it. The automations alone are really great. So anyways, that being said, this is, so once you sign up for your free account, then you can go ahead and go to, move this out of the way, settings, and down in SMS, they're going to give you, you're going to get so many messages on your on the program. You can purchase more messages, but this is usually plenty to get started with. And then they're going to give you a smart number, or you're going to get it changed or whatever. I think it just comes with a smart number assigned to you. If you want to change it, it's going to cost you $10 a month, I think, for a different smart number if you want something that's local or whatever. So anyways, that being said, this is going to be a smart number. So you want to remember where that is. You might want to copy and paste it somewhere. Just remember what it is. Then you're going to go up here to the lead hub. And one of the lead generation things is the smart codes. You want to click on the smart codes. So what you're going to do is maybe you have a listing, or you can borrow someone's listing with their consent, obviously. Let's just go to Zillow just as an example. And let's say you're looking for let's say you have a listing in Santa Ana, California. Let's say you have this listing. That's not really your listing. So what you can do is what you'll do is you're going to go ahead and click on this. You're going to go ahead and copy the URL. You're going to go to your smart codes. You're going to add new smart code. This is going to give you a custom code. You can either put a word or number. I like numbers. People it's easier for them to type it on their phone to do the numbers, or maybe it's not, I don't know. But anyways, I use numbers. They seem to work fine. But okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go in there and you're going to put your code. So we won't put that. That was Freudian slip. Anyway, let's say you do 8956, just as whatever. You can add tags, and these tags you can use to set up automation. So if you get a lead, you can automatically, maybe you have a text automation to do follow-up text to them, so that the system does the texting for you, so you don't have to do all the follow-up. And then in here, you would put your message. Let's say you're going to be promoting a listing on Craigslist and you want them to text 8956 to get information on 2513 Occidental in Santa Ana, California. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that text in. They're going to text it to your text number, your smart code number, and then they're going to get text back automatically. They're going to get a message back. So this is where you would type your message piece. Hey, thanks for requesting. I can type info on this. Here is a link to all the photos and details, and then put your link in there, and then you would hit add. All right, so now there is your text code information. So what you're going to do from there is you are going to go to Craigslist and you are going to go and real estate for sale. You're going to go ahead and post. And then you are going to, move this out of the way, housing offered, all the Craigslist rules that you have to do. That's fine. So you're going to be doing your dream home in Santa Ana. Tell me I am wrong. You want to just make obviously you want your add to stick out. So then you're going to put in cities and all the stuff you do for Craigslist, and then your postal code. I don't even know what it is there. I can't remember what it is there. Oh, wait, I guess we have it right here. Duh, 92704. So then you go ahead and put 92704. Now, there's stuff in here you might want to put all this stuff, put whether you're licensed or not, put your license or whatever you're doing. Put all the information that the board and the commission need, so you don't get in trouble with the realtor board and all that kind of stuff. I don't put a price. I will put square footage, so we'll go ahead and just whatever, 724 square feet. I picked a beauty, didn't I? 724 square feet. You're gonna know that it is a house. Put laundry. We say it has in the unit, parking, off-street parking, bedrooms, baths. What did they say? 2. So we got 2 and 2. And then you're obviously just going to put your description here. So we would go ahead and I just go down here and then do copy. Now this isn't my listing. I'm just using it as an example. I'm not going to post this for real. But then here's what I would do. Now inside of Craigslist, it is an HTML coded site. So if you just put like spaces in here, sometimes it doesn't work. So I use the HTML BR, and that means break. So that is like a new line. It gives you a break between the words. And if you do a break, it does a double thing. I don't know. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just it makes it look cleaner. Then I go ahead and put something like this. Send. What was our code? Here we go. Code send 8956. Would. Oh my gosh. Copy that. Send 8956 to, and you'll get the number. What the number is? Copy it. I don't think you put the 1 there. 2. Copy, and then don't put your spaces in there so people know what it is. 4 more photos and details. So what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead and text that to that number. It's going to send them a text that has that, just right here, whatever we put with the link and everything, and then they click on it. And then what this is going to do is it's going to populate your dashboard or your contacts. A new contact's going to pop up in there. And then it's going to also, you can set this up so it notifies you with an email and a text or both or whatever you want. It'll notify you that you got a new lead, so you can reach out to them and say, hey, I saw that you text for information on our listing. Would you like to just set a showing or whatever? But anyway, so hopefully that was helpful. Remember that you can go ahead and get a free trial by clicking the link in the description that I put. And hopefully this gets you a ton of leads. Check out some of my other stuff that I put on here for lead generation and with using CRM Grow. And I'm out.